1,000 miles between us now. It causes me to wonder how our love tonight remains so strong. It makes our wrists right all along. The time we spend apart will make our love grow stronger, but it hurts so bad I can't take it any longer. I wanna go on with you, I wanna die lying in your arms. I wanna go on with you, I wanna be looking in your eyes. I wanna be there for you, sharing